This is what elegance on wheels looks like. Clean lines, premium finish, and a design that screams luxury travel. Night driving just became cinematic. These adaptive LED lights don't just look good, they enhance visibility and safety. Here's Paul Prince. This motorhome drives like a luxury car, no joke. Built on a powerful chassis, you get smooth handling and comfort. What if your house could turn heads like a supercar? This is the Unity Murphy Bed Lounge. Sleek, compact, and insanely premium. From TOP scrolling, this might be the most futuristic motorhome front you'll see in 26. This bold grille.
This is freedom. Go anywhere, live everywhere. Subscribe for dream living.
How is DIS so spacious? Smart layout maximizes space. Follow for smart design. Feel the luxury. Premium finishes everywhere. Subscribe for design lovers. This doesn't feel like an RV.
It feels like a luxury suite.
Better sleep than home? Designed for deep rest. Follow for lifestyle upgrades. Sit once, you won't want to leave. Luxury comfort engineered. Safety comes first. Advanced protection systems. Follow for peace of mind. This is built to last. Premium craftsmanship everywhere. Subscribe for quality reviews. Cruising like a dream. Smooth, stable, powerful. Follow for performance. Wait till you see the HIS interior. This feels like a boutique hotel, not a motorhome. Subscribe, this is just the beginning. First impressions? This is how you enter luxury. Smooth entry, solid build, and effortless access. Subscribe to step inside more luxury.
Big luxury, small footprint. Perfect for city and travel. Subscribe for practical luxury.
This looks insane at night. A glowing masterpiece. Instant outdoor luxury. Shade, comfort, and style outdoors. Subscribe for lifestyle upgrades. Hidden space you didn't expect. Carry everything you need. Follow for smart storage. Running water anywhere. Efficient water storage and usage. Subscribe for real-life features. No hookups? No problem. Reliable off-grid power system. Follow for independence. What if your home powered itself? Eco-friendly energy on the go. Subscribe for smart innovation. Perfect temperature, always. Advanced climate control keeps you comfortable anywhere. Follow for comfort tech. Turn it up. Premium audio for every journey. Subscribe if you love music. Entertainment on another level. Smart connectivity, navigation, and media control. Follow for tech lovers. This is not your average RV dashboard. High-tech controls, comfort, and total command. Subscribe for tech features. Lighting changes everything. Ambient LED lighting creates the perfect vibe. Full shower on the road? Clean, sleek, and surprisingly spacious. Subscribe for more wow moments. Yes, this is inside a motorhome. Modern finishes, compact luxury, full functionality. Follow for more surprises. Where does everything go? Watch this. Smart storage solutions everywhere. Subscribe, this gets smarter. This kitchen rivals apartments. Fully equipped, modern, and incredibly functional. Follow for more smart living. Compact yet elegant dining for unforgettable moments. Your view? Always 5-star. Massive panoramic windows flood the space with natural light. Follow for more breathtaking setups. Imagine relaxing like this, anywhere. Premium seating, ergonomic comfort, and a true lounge vibe. Subscribe if you love comfort. This one feature changes everything. A full-size Murphy bed that disappears when you don't need it. Space optimization. If this doesn't make you want one, nothing will. This is the future of luxury travel. Hit subscribe now because you don't want to miss what's coming next. Worth every dollar? For what it offers? Absolutely. Subscribe for honest reviews. Travel with everyone.
Comfort for family trips.
Subscribe for family travel.
Work from anywhere. Perfect for digital nomads. Follow for modern living.